Alrighty, we're up. We're ready to rock and roll. Let me flip you. That's the trail. You can see it's all pretty flat, open area. I was camping in those trees last night. So yeah, I camped in those trees last night. It wasn't level, but I made it work. Got a good night of sleep. We're at like a 9,016 elevation right now. And then in 10.5 miles, we'll be at like 8.2. We have some climbing, but I'm not seeing any major climbing today. I mean, at least this morning, I'm not seeing no major climbs. We got water in 1.5 miles. We got water in 9 miles, and then we got a lake that's in 10.5 miles. So a little bit of climbing, I'm thinking this morning. Doesn't look a whole heck of a lot of climbing on the map. What else? I expect that, I'm assuming that there's going to be a lot of flat open area again today, kind of like yesterday. And I got flat open area right here. So, but yeah, other than that, it's going to jimmy jam, rock and roll. We'll see what we can get done. Gonna be another beautiful day on trail, man. So holler at you later. Hey, alrighty, taking a break down here at the lake. Let me flip you up. So yeah, just taking a break. A couple kayaks over here. They have a dog. Yeah, today I think we left camp at 9,000 elevation. We went up to like 9.1, 9.2, then we drop a little bit, then go back up 9.1, 9.2, 9.3, somewhere in there. We did that 2 or 3 times. And then we just dropped down to where I'm at now is 8.2 elevation. So following this road, some spots of this road have rocks the size of your fist that you're walking on, so you got to watch your footing. And some of the downhill is loose gravel, so you're sliding. But yeah, after break in 10 miles we'll be at 9.7. So once again, right after break we'll have some climbing, but yeah, typical. But all in all, just a good day, man. Just jimmying and jamming. We got water in the next 10 miles. We got water like 6 spots possible, so plenty of water coming up. So there is a small lake in about a mile also. So but yeah, other than that, just jimmying and jamming, rocking and rolling, man. Just following the road. I don't know how much more road I gotta follow, but just been following this road. I don't even know if it's really a road. It's more or less like an ATV road. So, but yeah, all right, gonna give me a break, and I will holler at you later.
9,856. Let me flip you. Oh, that was a lot of straight up, man. Actually, it was pretty much almost all the way straight up. So, alrighty, we gotta head down, get some water, and find a place to set up camp. So, holler at you later.
Hey, alrighty, we're in camp. Man, this afternoon took forever. Right after break, it was like 5 miles was part of that road walk. Then we got back on the trail, and which was nice because the sun's been out all day, and that road walking there was like no shade, very little shade. But we got back on the trail or on a trail, and then kind of we were off trail and on trail type situation, and so we had some open areas even then. But yeah, we got up in that climb, and man, I tell you, that climb, you'd be going along and you're on trail, boom, just snap the fingers, the trail just vanished, it's gone. It's like, so then you're trying to figure out where the trail is, and a lot of times you're just following the path of other hikers, and then it's like a cattle field, so there's nothing level, so everything's just kind of plumping through there. But yeah, we're at 9,094 elevation. 22.9 mile day is what we got, so we'll take it. It's a good day. But man, beautiful scenery. I mean, other than the fact no shade, man, just beautiful mountains and rolling hills of the grass, and had a little bit of cattle this afternoon, but plenty of water. Just gorgeous day though. Another day in paradise. My camp spot's level tonight. The last 2 nights it hasn't been level, so, but yeah, a little later than I'd like to be in camp, but it is what it is, man. So, but yeah, other than that, nothing really major this afternoon. Just that big climb. That climb was straight up, and then you get to a flat, nice big flat open area, and you're trying to figure out where the trail is, and yeah, so, and I have mosquitoes again. I went 2 days, no mosquitoes. Now I'm starting to get mosquitoes again. So, but all in all, another day in paradise, man. So you all take care, and I will holler at you in the morning.